Opening a margin account with Questrade allows you to borrow money to invest, enhancing your buying power. Here's how to open a margin account. Log into your Questrade account. Visit the Questrade website and log in with your existing account credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to sign up for a Questrade account first. Start the application process. Once logged in, go to the account section and select Open an account. Choose Margin account from the account options available. Provide personal information. Complete the necessary details, including your personal information, employment details, and financial background. These are required to assess your eligibility for a margin account. Read and agree to terms. Review the margin trading agreement carefully. A margin account comes with increased risks due to borrowing, so understanding the terms is essential. Submit identification and financial information. You may need to submit documentation, such as proof of identity and financial statements, depending on the requirements of your application. Wait for approval. Once you submit the application, Questrade will review it. This process may take a few days. Fund your margin account. Once approved, fund your account and start trading on margin.